welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a review on the Sephora Favorites Plump and Hydrate kit. If you do want to see a review and a demo, then please keep watching. As a huge favor, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment anything down below. I greatly appreciate it. I read all the comments and I will do my best to reply back. This set retails for $30 on Sephora's website. I do want to read a little bit about this. A curated collection of 5 lip balms, lip plumpers, and lipsticks, including full sizes of Nars Afterglow Lip Balm and Rose Ink Lip Sculpt Amplifying Lipstick. Here's a closer look on what this set looks like. It's $30 in the US and $40 Canadian. Right underneath that, it states it's an $87 US value. On the back, you have a little description, and then each product is listed and where it was made. This sleeve just slides right on out. Here's what the little bag looks like. It says Sephora on it. On the other side, it doesn't say anything. This is a cute little bag. On the side here, it says Sephora. Let's open this up. Inside, you have all 5 products. You get 3 mini deluxe size products and 2 full size products. The first item is from Fresh. This is called their Sugar Advanced Therapy Treatment Lip Balm. This is a deluxe mini. You get 0.07 ounces or 2.2 grams of product. Here's what the front looks like, and then here's the back. On the bottom of the tube, it states it was made in France. This just twists up like this. Here's how much product comes in the lip balm. This is a clear lip balm. The full size of this lip balm retails for $26. I do want to read a little bit about this lip balm. An intensive lip treatment that moisturizes extra dry lips for up to 24 hours and is clinically proven to repair the look of damaged lips. This does have a lemon scent. Smells very good. I'm going to press my lips together so I can feel the texture. I can feel the product on my lips. It does feel moisturizing. I'll keep trying out the lip balm and I'll keep you guys posted in the description box down below. Next deluxe size mini product is from Lawless. This is called the Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Gloss. You get 0.05 ounces or 1.7 milliliters of product. This is in the shade Velvet, and this was made in the USA. On the side of the tube, it says Plumping, Smoothing, Nourishing. The full size retails for $25. I do want to read a little bit about this. A clinically tested ultra shiny gloss with immediate and long-term softening, hydrating, and visibly plumping benefits. Hopefully it doesn't tingle. Let's see what it looks like. Here's a closer look on what the applicator looks like. It's a little doe foot. Velvet is described as a rosy mauve with plummy undertones. I'm not getting any tingling sensation yet. It does look good on the lips. I like this so far. Last mini deluxe size product is from Too Faced. This is called their Lip Injection Extreme. On the back of the tube, it says Instant and Long-Term Lip Plumper. You get 0.05 ounces or 1.5 milliliters of product. As I mentioned with the Lawless lip gloss, I'm not really a lip plumping lip injection person. Again, I don't like that tingling sensation, but I do want to swatch this on the back of my hand so you can see what it looks like. The applicator is double-sided. Here's what this looks like. This formula is clear and I can't feel any tingling sensation on the back of my hand. The full size retails for $29. I do want to read a little bit about this. A gloss that helps lips appear fuller from first application and plumper over time. I'm going to be brave and try this on my lips. This does have a sweet scent. It smells like cotton candy. It smells really good. No tingling sensation so far. I think I'm good. Had to immediately wipe this off. I did get a tingling sensation. I did not like that feeling. If you're someone that likes a tingling sensation on your lips, then you might like this. If you're someone like me that doesn't like any tingling feeling, you're probably not gonna like this. I'm not sure how fuller your lips will look with this product. Looking at my lips up close in the mirror, it doesn't look fuller, It seems the same to me. That's probably because I wiped it off before the tingling sensation can do its thing. Let's move on to the full-size products. The first full-size product is from Rose Inc. I've never heard of this brand before. Have you guys heard of them? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. This is called a Lip Sculpt Amplifying Lipstick. You get 0.1 ounces or 3 grams of product. There's nothing on the other side of the tube. It just says Rose Inc. On the bottom of the tube, you have the shade name. The shade is called Beams, and this was made in the USA. I was not expecting a chubby lip product. The full size retails for $24. I do want to read a little bit about this. A long-wearing formula enriched with hyaluronic acid, squalene, and ceramides to deliver saturated matte color with the benefits of a balm. Let's see how much product we get in the tube. Here's how much product comes inside. Not too bad. Oh my goodness, you guys. The back of my hand is turning red from that Too Faced lip plumper. My skin is so sensitive. I think it just burned the back of my hand. I don't know what happened. My hand feels kind of burned. Hopefully it goes down. Don't apply the lip injection lip plumping gloss on the back of your hand because you might experience something similar to this. I'm going to apply the shade in Beam up at the top. This is described as a plum shade. This shade is beautiful. This shade in Beams is gorgeous. This is a matte formula. I do want to press my lips together. It mentioned it had hyaluronic acid and squalene in it. I can barely press my lips together. The formula is so matte. I do want to do a kiss test on the back of my hand to see how much transfer we get. Here's how much product came off. The majority of the product is still on my lips. This lipstick is going in my everyday makeup bag. Last lip product in this set is from Nars. This is called the Afterglow Lip Balm. This is in the shade Dulce Vita. You get 0.1 ounces or 3 grams of product. Here's how much product comes in the tube. The full size retails for $28. I do want to read a little bit about this. A hydrating lip balm infused with a blend of antioxidants to nourish and protect lips. Dulce Vita is described as a sheer dusty rose. That's a beautiful shade. Here's what all 5 of the lip products look like swatched on the back of my hand. I love this sheer wash of color. If you purchase these 2 products alone, you're paying $57 plus tax. This set retails for $30 and you get 3 additional products, plus you get a cute little makeup bag. I liked all 4 products in this set except for the Too Faced lip injection. It did give me that tingling sensation, which I did not like. It also burned the back of my hand. Hopefully this does heal. I'll definitely keep you guys posted in the description box down below. Overall, I definitely think this set is a great value. Let me know in the comments down below if you plan on picking up this kit or if you already have it in your collection. If you guys did enjoy this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.